Hey everyone, and welcome back. Has Google Maps ever pinned a business in the wrong spot? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it in less than a minute. First, open Google Maps and search for the business or place that's in the wrong location. Once you find it, click on the listing so its information card pops up now. Look for the Suggest and Edit button. You might find it by clicking the 3-DAT menu, or it might be listed right on the information card. Click it, and then select Change Name or Other Details. A new screen will appear. Here, tap the option for Location. You can now drag the map marker to the exact correct spot. Be as precise as possible. After you've moved the pin, click Send to submit your correction. Google will review the edit, and you might get a notification once it's approved. This helps everyone in the community find the right place. You can also use this method to fix a missing address, wrong business hours, or even a closed location. And that's it. You've just helped make Google Maps more accurate for everyone. If you've ever fixed a location, let me know what it was in the comments. See you in the next one.